Welcome back. So today we are going to see Python programming 4 lecture. So working with variables. So now I am going to teach you about how we can replace a paragraph or a sentence with a user input. Okay. So I'm trying to do one thing. Sriji. Okay. I'm adding a verb there. To the place. Okay, that is also a user input for getting something. Okay, so that is what I am going to do it. That is what I am going to replace a paragraph or a sentence or a user defined text with a user input from the keyboard. So we are going to try this in our Tony application. So I am going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste it in a file. Okay, what happened? 1 minute. Okay, I'll just copy it, or you can type as well. Okay, so here I'm entering, I'm telling to print enter a verb. So I will initialize a variable verb equal to input from the keyboard. Then I'm going to print enter a place. Then I'm going to declare a variable place. Input is taken from the keyboard. Then I'm going to enter a noun and I'm getting the input, and then I'm printing f and I'm putting the variables verb and place and noun. Okay, so I'm going to save this file. Replace user input. Okay, input. I'm saving this. I'm going to run it. So enter a verb will come. So you can enter a verb. So I will maximize this so that you get a feel of doing it. So I'm going to enter the verb. Verb is something. Okay, ran. Okay, I'm giving ran. Okay, ran. And so I'm going to run. Okay, run. Enter a place. Supermarket. Okay. Noun. So here it is Sriji ran to supermarket for getting water. Okay. So it should come like this. Sriji ran to supermarket for getting water. So this you can you have learned a technique in which you can replace user defined user taken inputs from the keyboard to a paragraph or something like that. Okay, so we'll go and see next thing. Okay, we'll just take our PowerPoint. So exercise 1, exercise 7, actually write a simple program. So that is the simple program is it was adjective summer day and person name was very hot. Person name decided to verb 1 to the swimming pool at the pool. The people verb 2, verb 3, verb 4 in the water. Okay, at the end of the day everyone left and went to the place. So the sample output should look like it was a beautiful summer day and Lalu was very hot. Lalu decided to run to the swimming pool. At the pool, the people jumped, skipped, played in water, and at the end of the day, everyone left and went to the store. So this exercise, you want to do it yourself and practice this particular skill in the Python. So now we are going to see how you are going to do max in Python. Python behaves like a high-end calculator and it's very simple, very simple. The expressions, and there are two things in maths, in basic things, expressions and operators. 9 plus 8, so you know the expression is 9 plus 8, and the operators are plus and the operands are 9 and 8. 900 minus 879, 196 divided by 89, 1.5 plus 85 point. Various things. Okay, so this we will see. So expressions Expression is a combination of values, variables, operators, and function called to calculate a result. Operators are symbols that tell our program to perform calculations on operands. So operands are values that are used in the calculations. Okay, you can simply see a calculator displayed here to make you feel that you is as simple as doing a using a calculator. So sum is equal to 7 plus 8 into 9 divided by 2. What does this mean? Sum equal to is the expression. What is the operands here? 7, 8, 9, 2, etc. What are the operators? Plus, asterisk, divided by. Okay, fine. This is very simple. You can practice it in the Tony. So I'm trying to give you an example program. Calculate the area of a rectangle. So what is the area of a rectangle? It is kind of width into length. Okay, so enter the width of the rectangle. You take the input from the keyboard, but only thing you want to add a function here, float. Why? Because if you take only input, it will be taken as a string, and we want it in decimal format, float. That is, it will be taken as a number. Okay, so then length is equal to float. That is a different method I am showing here. One is like length float input enter. Directly I am trying to enter it with a variable written to it directly. Here in the first thing what I have done is I have printed first, and then I have declared the variable and then taken the input. In the second one I am directly declaring the variable and directly putting the taking the variable from the keyboard. Area is equal to width into length, and finally print f, the area of the rectangle is equal to area. So we will see this in Tony and understand the outputs. So check the results and understand 2 plus 2, 2 into 2, 4 by 3, 4 divided. What are the difference? We will see in the Tony. I will do it and show it to you. So modulus operator, very very important in calculators. 5 divided by 3, 5 asterisk that is divided by symbol, that is percentage symbol 3 is will give you the remainder. So remainder will be 2. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 0 because there is no remainder. So that is what operators with strings is another particularity of the Python. A plus 1, it will obviously give you some error. A into asterisk 2 is, it will print AA. P into 3 is PPP. Lanu into 2 is Lanu. A plus B is AB. Rahul plus Sachin is Rahul Sachin. Okay, so this we will see. So all these things I have already declared and already mentioned in my declarations. An expression is a combination of values, variables, operators, function called to calculate a result. Python can evaluate valid expressions. Operators are symbol that tells our program to perform a calculation on operands. Operands are values that are used in the calculation. In the line below, 2 plus 3 is an expression, and 2 and 3 are the operands, and plus is the operator telling the computer to perform an addition, 2 plus 3. There can be more than one operator in an expression. 2 plus 3 into 4, which obviously produces a result because there is a operator precedence is there. 3 into 4 is 12, 12 plus 2 is 4, 12 plus 2 is 14. Okay, so this works on the operator precedence. We will see that. So operator precedence, operators are applied in a certain order. This order in which the operators are applied is called operator precedence. Operators are applied in the order they are listed in the table below, with being first. The parenthesis is the first and plus and minus last. So operators that are in the same row are applied from left to right, except that exponent. It is applied from right to left. So parenthesis is having the topmost priority, then comes the exponent, then comes star, backslash, double backslash, and then percentage, plus and minus in the last. Okay, so finally you want to compute the area of a triangle using the user input. Okay, so area of a triangle as displayed here is height half base into height, half bh, base and height is displayed in the figure. So print base, enter the base, port, input, the same like rectangle. You can calculate it and show it as a screenshot in your assignment or in the class. Okay. So exercise 8 and 9 is given in the LMS. You can we will put you some PDFs in the LMS. We can see that. Okay. Now I am going to Tony application and trying to display some of the things which we have already discussed. So we'll go there. So this can be done in the shell actually. So I'm going to do this in the shell. So I'm trying to show it in the shell. So I hope the shell is visible to you. Shell is becoming a little problematic for me. Okay. Because okay, now I'm going to maximize the shell. Okay, I want more shell area. Okay, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 9, 18. Okay, 8 into 9, 72. So what we have seen in our PPT, we'll take the PPT in the side, okay, and try to do that. I'll try to reduce the size a little bit. Okay. Okay, shell. I'm going to okay. So 196 divided by 5, 39.2, 1.5 plus 3.5, 5. Okay, so these are the basic things which we have seen. Now we'll see an expression. Okay, sum is equal to 7 plus 8 into 9. Okay, that is in bracket. I want to put it in bracket and divided by 2. So print sum. (43). Okay, so like this you can do any mathematical operation. Okay, so how to calculate the area of a rectangle? Okay, well, I'll just copy from here to save our time. Okay, just copy from here. Okay, so here we have explained everything in the first initial session. Okay, area rectangle. Okay, now I'm going to run it. What is our shell? One minute, I have just okay. So I'm going to run it. Width of rectangle 9, 7. So the area of the rectangle is 73. So like that you should print the area of the triangle as explained in the class. Okay, now some more experiments I have already given to you. Okay, some more experiment I have given to you. What were they? You can just go through it. You can try. So these things you can try. Okay. If I put it in the shell, what will happen? We'll see. So experiments. So here, what was the first thing? 2 plus 2, 4. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 by 3 is 1.333. Then 4 double backslash 3 is 1 because it's a remainder modulus operator. 2 into 2 is again 4. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. Again 2 plus 2 raised to 3, that is 2 raised to 3 is 2 plus 2 into 3, that is also 8. Finally you get 2 plus 2 into 3, that is bracket will be done first, that is the difference between last two. 2 plus 2 is 4 into 3 is 12. The other one is different. It will do the first thing. 2 into 3 is 6 into 2 is 12. Okay, like that. Okay, done. So this you can practice, and we will you have to do 2 exercises in this session, and then make yourself in a commanding position in this area of max. So I'll come back with another session tomorrow. Thank you.